For our funded and focused feature, entrepreneurs know that everything has a cost, and artificial intelligence is no different. How much help AI gives is based on your budget, and so let's look at a set of tools that can work together for your business. In this feature, we'll start with someone with a basic budget of US $60 per month. We'll call it the Solopreneur Stack. These are beginner-friendly tools that are best for freelancers, consultants, small online businesses, one-person companies. What this AI setup does is write content and emails, organize leads and customers, help send invoices, track simple finances, automate small tasks. Think of it as your first AI office assistant. This setup can save dozens of hours every month. So here's some recommended tools. For content and writing assistant, ChatGPT helps write emails, social media posts, proposals, and marketing content. For simple customer relationship management tools and email outreach, consider HubSpot CRM, which tracks potential clients and help manage follow-ups. For invoicing and simple bookkeeping, consider Wave, which offers easy invoicing and financial tracking for small businesses. For task automation, consider Zapier, which connects apps together so tasks happen automatically. For meeting notes and summaries, consider Otter AI, which records meetings and creates automatic notes.